In the ladybug aphid problem, we're supplied with a growth rate of the aphids and a rate at which they're removed by a ladybug predator. Both of these depend on the aphid density. And we're asked for what aphid density are these two functions exactly balanced. When we say that they're balanced, what we're asking is what is the value of x such that the two things are equal? Let's go ahead and solve for that. So to solve that, we're going to let Rx equal to kx squared over a squared plus x squared. This equation always has one solution, which is x equals 0. This is not very interesting biologically because it's a situation where no aphids are around at all. Let's look at another solution such that x is not equal to 0, and in that case we can cancel a factor of x from both sides to arrive at r equals kx over a squared plus x squared. Let's rewrite this in a more convenient form. Algebraically, we can simplify it to r a squared plus x squared equals kx. And we can rewrite this in yet another form of a quadratic equation by combining terms and arranging everything on one side of the equation. So in this quadratic equation, we can solve using the quadratic formula. And the solution to this equation is going to be of the form x equals the negative of this quantity, which makes it a positive k, plus or minus the square root of k squared minus 4 times a squared and r squared, and then divided by twice this coefficient, which is r. So these are the other two solutions we obtain, but notice that these two are not necessarily always real. For these to be real, we have to insist that the discriminant, i.e. k squared minus 4a squared, this should be r squared, this should be greater than 0. Let's write this inequality in a somewhat more suggestive form. Let's write k squared is bigger than 4a squared r squared. Now, using the fact that all these constants are positive, we can rewrite this as k is greater than 2ar, or in the more suggestive form, k over 2 is greater than ar. We'll see next what this implies about the predators, the ladybugs, as well as the aphid prey.